A bow case is essential for protecting your bow and accessories during transport and storage. Designed with durable, impact-resistant materials, it ensures your bow stays safe from damage. Available in soft or hard shell options, a quality bow case offers compartments for arrows, sights, and other gear, keeping everything organized and secure. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 7. TenPoint Blazer Soft Crossbow Case is a durable and practical storage solution designed to protect your crossbow during transport and storage. Constructed from rugged, weather-resistant fabric, the case offers reliable protection against dirt, moisture, and scratches, ensuring your crossbow stays in top condition. The soft yet reinforced exterior provides a balance of flexibility and sturdiness, while the interior features soft padding to safeguard your bow from bumps and impacts. The case is designed to accommodate a wide range of crossbow models, providing a snug fit that helps prevent shifting during transport. It includes convenient zippered pockets for storing accessories such as bolts, quivers, and other gear, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. With a comfortable, adjustable shoulder strap and carrying handles, the Blazer Soft Crossbow Case is easy to carry, whether you're heading to the range or the field. Lightweight yet durable, this case offers archers and hunters a simple, effective way to protect their investment without compromising convenience or mobility. Number 6. Pelican 1745 AIR CASI is a high-performance, ultra-durable protective case designed to safeguard valuable gear during transport or storage. Constructed with Pelican's innovative HPX resin, the case is lightweight yet incredibly tough, offering superior protection against impact, moisture, dust, and the harshest environmental conditions. Its spacious interior features customizable foam inserts that allow for secure, snug storage of electronics, cameras, firearms, or other sensitive equipment, preventing any movement during transit. The case is equipped with durable, oversized latches that provide a secure seal, while the automatic purge valve ensures that the case remains airtight, maintaining equalized pressure during altitude changes. With reinforced corners and a robust handle system, the Pelican 1745 is designed for both ease of use and maximum protection. Its sleek, rugged design also includes built-in wheels for easy transport, making it ideal for frequent travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether for professional use, hunting, or adventure, the Pelican 1745 AR CASA delivers reliable, military-grade protection for your most important gear. Number 5. Plano Spire Crossbow Case is a high-quality, durable storage solution designed to keep your crossbow safe and secure during transport and storage. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this hard-shell case is constructed from tough, impact-resistant material that provides superior protection against drops, moisture, and environmental elements. The interior is lined with soft, protective foam to prevent scratches and damage to your crossbow, ensuring it stays in excellent condition. Designed to accommodate most crossbows, the Plano Spire Crossbow Case offers ample space while keeping the bow snug and secure with custom foam padding. It also includes additional compartments for storing accessories like arrows, quivers, and scopes, helping you stay organized on the go. The case is equipped with comfortable, easy-to-carry handles and a rugged, lockable latch system for added security. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Plano Spire Crossbow Case is the ideal choice for hunters and archers who want a reliable, compact, and stylish way to protect their gear during transport and storage. Number 4. Case Club Parallel Limb Compound Bow Case is a premium, rugged storage solution designed to provide exceptional protection for your compound bow during transport or storage. Built with high-quality, impact-resistant plastic, this case offers superior durability to withstand drops, impacts, and environmental hazards, ensuring your bow remains in excellent condition. The interior is equipped with custom-cut foam inserts that perfectly fit most parallel limb compound bows, securing the bow in place and preventing any shifting that could cause damage. The case also features additional compartments for storing arrows, accessories, and archery gear, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. With a waterproof, dustproof, and airtight seal, the Case Club case ensures that your equipment stays protected from moisture, dust, and other elements, making it ideal for travel in all weather conditions. The case includes reinforced handles and a sturdy latching system for easy handling and added security. Whether you're heading to the range or the field, the Case Club Parallel Limb Compound Bow Case is an essential, reliable choice for transporting your gear safely. Number 3. Primos Hunting Bow Case is a durable and practical storage solution designed to protect your compound bow during transport and storage. Made from rugged, high-quality material, the case provides reliable protection against the elements, impact, and wear, ensuring your bow remains safe and in top condition. The interior features thick, protective foam padding that securely holds your bow in place, preventing any shifting that could cause damage. It also includes additional compartments for storing arrows, quivers, and accessories, helping you stay organized and ready for action. With a sleek, compact design, the Primos hunting bow case accommodates most standard-size compound bows while keeping the overall weight manageable for easy carrying. The case is equipped with heavy-duty zippers and lockable latches for added security, keeping your bow safe during travel. Its ergonomic handle and shoulder strap make it comfortable to carry, whether you're heading to the range or going on a hunting trip. The Primos hunting bow case offers excellent protection and convenience, making it a reliable companion for any bow hunter. Number 2. Plano Bow Max Crossbow Case is a heavy-duty, protective storage solution designed to keep your crossbow secure and safe during transport and storage. Built from durable, impact-resistant material, the case is engineered to withstand harsh conditions and rough handling, ensuring your gear stays in top condition. The interior features thick, protective foam padding that molds to the shape of your crossbow, providing a custom fit and minimizing movement to prevent damage. The case also offers ample space for additional accessories, such as bolts, scopes, and quivers, with specialized compartments to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Its sleek design is perfect for accommodating most standard-sized crossbows while keeping the case lightweight enough for easy transport. The Plano Bow Max Crossbow Case is equipped with heavy-duty latches and lockable zippers, providing added security during travel. With comfortable, easy-to-carry handles and a sturdy construction, this case is the ideal choice for hunters and archers looking for a reliable and durable solution to protect their crossbow and accessories on the go. Number 1. Plano Protector Ultra Compact Pillar Lock Protective Bow Case is a premium, compact storage solution designed to offer superior protection for your bow during transport and storage. Built from high-quality, impact-resistant materials, this case ensures your bow stays safe from damage, scratches, and environmental elements. The interior is equipped with a unique pillar lock system, which utilizes foam pillars to securely cradle the bow and prevent any shifting or damage during travel. The adjustable foam padding allows for a custom fit for most compound bows, ensuring maximum stability and protection. Despite its compact size, the case offers ample space for storing additional accessories such as arrows, release aids, and tools, all organized in dedicated compartments. The case features durable, easy-to-use latches and is lockable for added security. It also includes comfortable carry handles for convenient transport. Lightweight yet highly protective, the Plano Protector Ultra Compact Pillar Locked Bow Case offers archers a reliable, space-saving solution for safely storing and carrying their gear without sacrificing durability or convenience.